Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is write in numbers. So my dear student, let us start our class. Our today's lecture number 4 of half yearly, and there is a important speech for you that there is SW today, and today is our SW number 1. Today is our SW number 1. So my dear student, let us start. Here you notice write in numbers from 500 to 1000. If in our previous lecture, that means in lecture 3, we have already learned the write in numbers from 1 to 5. Today we shall solve from 6 to 10, and from 11 to 15 will be your SW. Okay, you must do this SW in your CW copy. SW copy, and submit it regularly by your guardians. You submit your SW in our school library in every Saturday. Okay, so my dear student, notice first one 720. 720. 7 number 1000. 8 number 684. 9 number 711. 10 number 867. Okay, so 720. Okay, so notice 700, that means it has 100 place. 20, that means 20, so it has tens place but no ones place. For this reason ones place will be 0. Okay, so write 700, that means 7 first, then 20, so 2 0. Okay, 0 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, and 7 is in 100 place. So now take 720. So this one is correct, I think. Okay, next 1000. Notice 1000, so it has no 100 place, no tens place, and no ones place. As no 100 place, no tens place, and no ones place, for this reason these three places will be 0. So 1000, for this reason write 1 first. Okay, after that there is no 100 place, for this reason we write 0. No tens place, so write 0. No ones place, so I write 0. So 0 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 0 is in 100 place, and 0 is in 1000 place. A new place is come, which is 1000 place. So this is called 1000. So our one is correct. Okay, question number 8, 684. So notice here 100 place, tens place, and ones place. Okay, 3 places are present. So we write 600, so write 6 first. Okay, then 84, write 88 and 4. Okay, so 4 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place, and 6 is in 100 place. So now read 684. So our one is correct. Okay, so next one 711. 711. So notice here 700, that means 100 place present, and 11, that means 1. So it has tens place and on place also. So write 7 as 100 place and 11. So write 1 and 1. So it has ones place, tens place, and 100 place. So it is called 711. So our one is correct. Okay, and our last one 867. Okay, 867. So 100 place present, tens place present, and ones place also present. So I write 8 for 867. So 6 and 7. 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, and 8 is in 100 place. I hope you have understood. So I repeat this again. 720. So write 720. Next 1000 as 100 tens, and one's place is absent, so I write 1000. 000 means 30. Okay. Next 8, 684. That means 606 and 84, 84. So this one is correct also. So question number 9, 711. Write 711. Okay. 867. So 808 and 67. So we read this number 867. So my dear student, when you complete your writing in numbers, then you must write the place name, and now then you read the number. Okay, if your pronunciation is just like this one, then you think that your one is correct. Okay, so now we shall go to our SW. Okay, here SW number 1. So question number 11 is 877. Next, question number 12, 728. Question number 13, 610. Question number 14, 902. Question number 15, 822. Okay. So notice 877. That means it has 100 place, tens place, and ones place. So how can you write? You can write yourself. Please don't take help from your parents. Okay. Just practice yourself. Okay. Question number 12, 728. Okay, 728. So it has 100 place, tens place, and ones place. So you can write. I hope, because you are very smart learner, I know. 13, 610. So it has 100 place, tens place, but no ones place. But when you write 10, then it has ones place. Okay. Question number 14, 902. So notice 100 place present, but no tens place. So that will be 0. Okay. So you practice yourself. Question number 15, 822. That means it has 100 place, tens place, and ones place also. So my dear student, this is your SW. Okay, it is SW number 1. Now please notice the board. How can you write your SW in your SW copy? So suppose this is your SW copy. Notice, suppose this is your SW copy. In this section you write date. That means today's date is 4/2/2021. Okay, in this section you write date, or you can write this date in that section also. Okay, after that here you write lecture. Which number lecture? Lecture number 4. Okay, then in this section you write SW. You must give the SW number. Which number? SW number 1. Okay, done. I repeat, here you write date, here you write lecture number, here you write SW number. Okay, so from here you write the heading. So what is our today's topics? Our today's topics is write in numbers. Write in numbers. Okay, from 500 to 1000. So first of all you write this heading. After that you start to write. Suppose the first one is 11 number. So here you write number, and you write here 800 EIGHT 877 ACVEN. So here you write give equal sign, and when you write this number in this write in words in numbers, convert this write in words in numbers, then you take 3 box to write 3 digit. Okay, so 800, 8 for 1, 77 for another box, and 7 for another box. I hope you have understood how to write SW in your copy. So my dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and you must practice more and more at home and submit your SW regularly. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.